My sister was diagnosed with a reading disability when she was a freshman in college.
One of the many difficulties in our community is the accessibility to educational tools and activities for children with learning disabilities, such as dyslexia.
He will usually struggle with understanding that A says ah or B says ba, so it will be a lifelong struggle for him to learn how to read independently on his own with extreme success.
And I think it would have really helped because she struggled through school, in high school when she was little, and I think an app like this would have helped with her disability.
When children with dyslexia are beginning to read and write, parents and children can become frustrated with the complexity of learning and memorizing.
I'm a teacher and I'm also a parent of two young ladies that have reading disability. But labels aside, an app that would read their worksheets to them would be helpful, so helpful as a parent.
This app will feature activities that will support and advance a person's ability to read and write letters, words, and numbers. Using the microphone, this app listens to text the user reads and tells the user if they had read it correctly. This also recognizes the progress made by the users by highlighting the words as they read it out loud. By guiding the reader along, errors as well as frustrations will be minimized. Using the touchscreen, the students can practice writing letters and words from visual and audio prompts. The camera will assist in reading books or worksheets when a student needs to get the information quickly. The app will also use both the touchscreen and the microphone to provide a fun game for younger children. This game encourages the user to read and write letters as part of the challenge. With this game, younger children will receive help with learning letters and numbers at their own pace in a fun and entertaining way.
As a teacher, I know that I have 125 students that I see every day, and it is so hard to have extra time to read something out loud to the students. So even though I know as a mother, I want my child to have a teacher that would read a worksheet out loud, I also know that as a teacher, having the time to do that for every kid with a disability, either diagnosed or undiagnosed, is so difficult.
I like this app because it covers all of the things that a dyslexic student is going to struggle with throughout their reading lifetime. And it seems fun and enjoyable for kids of all ages.
So an app that could do that would mean more time to enrich the learning instead of just having a student feel unsuccessful or that they needed extra help. They could just use their app and feel very independent.